Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover SVR, which is a 5 litre petrol in Estoril Blue. This car is next due for a service in March 2022 and has previously had only one owner. You have 22-inch satin polished alloys, privacy glass and a black contrasting roof, along with a powered tailgate, which is great if you have your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for personal items, and you do also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one. And you can close the boot using that button or the one on your key. You do also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, you'll see your wing mirrors fold in. You can unlock it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, along with SVR performance seats, and the SVR embossed on the seat there, as well as an SVR steering wheel. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light, or to open on a nice sunny day, but you do also have a sunblind that you can pull all the way across if you wish to. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving: grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. Along with heated front seats and heated seats in the back, keeping all passengers happy and ensures they all have a luxury journey. Touchscreen, different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have ambient lighting, various different colours to choose from, which looks effective especially in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness. Different suspension, so higher if you're off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which makes driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. Head-up display, and you can also change the position of this or the content that you want to see, which all depends on your own preference. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning SVR. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.